This is gallium, a mysterious metal that forms amazing orthorhombic crystals. Gallium easily melts just above room temperature and looks just like mercury. However, it's generally non-toxic and safe to handle. In order to make crystals, you must take a solid chunk of gallium and heat it up until it melts. Once it's liquid, place a solid piece of gallium on the surface. It oddly won't sink, and watch as it cools. You'll start to see crystals form around the edges. Next, you're going to reach your hand in there and pull it straight out. Easy as that, and you'll have these beautiful geometric gallium crystals in front of your eyes.